Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go. Today I want to introduce a new product that we have, and this is the soundproofing wall panels. And we make them with the mass-loaded vinyl, which blocks about 29-30 decibel of noise, and they lined up with acoustic blankets producer's choice. So we can put it black side, or we can put it white side on. So this combination becomes a sound blocking and sound absorption panel. And it will help you to block out the neighbors, and at the same time it will help you to absorb the noise inside the room in case you have a studio, stuff like that. Now, this is the actual order from a customer, and he wanted to put an image on the middle panel. So we can put any image that you want. The other thing, these panels are joined together in the back. So we have the Velcro. We put the soft Velcro on the back, and then we provide additional hook Velcro, so the panels can be joined together like this. And now they present one single pane, and it's very easy to install. And we're just going to show you how to install it. So that was presentation of wall panels with a sound blocking core.
Boom.